Welcome to Synth, an asynchronous audio platform where you can have conversations between you and your students or colleagues. To get started, let's create a channel. Once you click Create Channel, you can enter your channel name. This is the title of your conversation. It can be on any topic, it can be for any group or class period that you choose. You can also set an activity intention by editing the reminders to select days of the week and how often you would like to be reminded to check in on the conversations that are happening. To invite students or colleagues, simply copy and paste the invite link to your LMS, an email, or any other way that you communicate. To engage in the conversation, you can add the first synth by clicking on the microphone button. When you're ready to record your synth, you select your microphone and click Start. Here, you can record your message, be it a greeting, directions, or a question. When you finish, you can pause and then choose to resume, or pause and listen to your audio playback. You also have the option to go back and completely re-record your message. When you're done recording, you can add a chime that will play at the end of your message. You can also add web links to supplement your message. Once you have successfully recorded a synth, additional members of the channel can now listen to your recording. They can create their own synth by clicking the microphone button and starting a recording. Or they can reply to your synth. Students or colleagues are also able to leave typed comments. You're also able to go and share, edit, or delete your synth. Within the settings, you can change the channel name. You can set or adjust the activity intention. You can block session users, or you can turn moderation mode on or off. Please note, when you create a channel, moderation mode is turned on by default. This prevents users in the channel from seeing each other's responses. If you would like everybody to be able to participate in the conversation, you'll want to go into Settings and turn off moderation mode. Then click Save. You can invite participants to join the conversation in your channel while you are creating the channel or after the fact. If you choose to invite participants after you are finished creating your channel, you simply click on the participant list, click on Invite to Channel, copy and paste the invite link. You can also remove participants from the channel by clicking on the three dots, clicking Remove and Remove, or Cancel if you change your mind. This can be done for students or colleagues.